Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Immobiliser on a brand new Audi RSQ8. If you have a look, it's only got 28 miles. The customer's just picked it up, and we're secure. So the thief does a relay attack on the key, goes to steal the vehicle. When they select a gear, you're going to see it cut out. They're unable to drive it away. Also works in the reverse. As soon as it comes out of park, they select a gear, it's going to cut out. So what the customer's got to do, they can either have their Bluetooth phone in their pocket, Bluetooth on, hop in, start the vehicle, receive a disarm tone straight away, and they can drive it. That doesn't cut out. Or they can go through a push sequence if their phone goes flat. So we'll turn the Bluetooth off, pretend the phone's now flat, they've gone out, start it up. The system doesn't disarm straight away, so it needs the code 1, 2, 3 we have set. Disarm tone, we can select the gear and drive. This system we put in service mode through the app as well. So we'll turn the Bluetooth back on the phone, go into the app, press and hold until this green turns to yellow. Let go, get 2 bleeps, and while this is yellow, the system's in service mode, so it's basically off. Just give Audi the key. Don't need to worry about the Immobiliser being on. When you get it back, do the same in reverse, press and hold till it goes to green, and you're protected again. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on an RSQ8 2023.